Hello guys, welcome. In the last video we successfully created Zoom account and also created our app on the Zoom so that we can generate the API key and the API secret key. So we have successfully linked our API with the software so that we can be able to call the Zoom API and the Zoom secret key. So now that we have done that, right now what next is that we need to go back to our live class here so that we can create meeting. But when we create something here, it is not going to work because we have not written the codes in our controller and the model. So I am going to close the CRUD model. I am going to close the system settings, view and controller. Beautiful. So we have the view file, and this view file is going to admit controller. So we want to have a method called live class and the parameter is add. So now we have created the method called live class, but the parameters for adding, deleting, editing are missing. So I am going to say that if variable param1 is equals add, we want to perform something here. So I am going to copy this code also. If it is equals edit, the same thing, and if it is equals delete, we want to perform an operation. Beautiful. So what we are going to do here is that I am going to go to this live class model. Of course, we don't have that model yet. So I want to create another method inside live class model. So I am going to call it create or save live class to database. And when we save successfully, we are going to do something. We need to display message for the user to see. So I am going to say that meeting Zoom live class successfully created. So we need to redirect back to admin controller, pick the method live class. So I'm going to get rid of all this. So this is cool. So I am going to copy these again, come back here, paste it. But together with this, of course, I am going to say that edit live class information. And I am going to go there with param2. So the same thing for the delete, but before that I am going to say that successfully edited, and here let's say delete live class information. So Zoom live class successfully deleted. Beautiful, right? So it's as easy as that. Now that we have created the parameters for add, edit, and the delete. What next is that we need to create our model, live class model, because we don't have that. All right, so I am going to copy this. Let's go to our models. I am going to right click, new file, live class model.php, but don't forget to change to capital L. Okay, beautiful. So I am going to open this library model. Let's copy all this and close it, paste it inside the live class model. Okay, so we need to close one more bracket here, and I am going to change the class name to live class model. Beautiful. So we have our constructor, and here we are going to create our function. The function save live class to that base. Okay, is this not correct? Okay, so we are going to have another function for edit. Okay, but this time I am going to pass param2, and the last function for the delete. Okay, I am equally going to pass the param2. Beautiful. So guys, we need to do one more configuration. We need to go to our config folder of load.php. Let's come down to models. Okay, put comma, let's autoload it, live class model, save. Beautiful. Let's close it. Now we are good to go. In the next video, we are going to write the codes to save, to edit, and to update. Okay, but before that, let's go back to liveclass.php view. So we have the name, which is the title. We have the name for meeting ID, meeting password. We don't have all this, but don't worry, we are also going to generate that. So we have the class ID, we have the section ID, the date created, meeting time, which is this, start time, end time, remarks, and this JSwitch. Okay, all right, this JSwitch, we need it, send notification SMS. I don't know, maybe we should use email, but it's okay, we can equally use this because we have written the codes already, so it's okay. So guys, let's use the XMX. So we are going to start to build our code from the next video. Thank you guys, see you in the next tutorial. Bye.